Welcome to this lecture on leveraging AI and emerging technology for control enhancement. In this session, we'll explore how artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced analytics are transforming internal controls, making them more predictive, adaptive, and efficient than ever before. Internal control systems have traditionally relied on manual reviews, static procedures, and periodic audits. But as organizations handle larger data volumes and face rapidly evolving risks, traditional approaches can't keep pace. Emerging technologies, especially AI, machine learning, and automation, are revolutionizing how controls are designed, monitored, and improved. Let's begin with the role of AI in internal controls. AI enables organizations to move from reactive to proactive control management. Instead of detecting errors after they occur, AI-powered systems can identify anomalies, predict risks, and prevent control failures in real time. This predictive capability marks a major shift in governance and assurance. Machine learning algorithms can analyze millions of transactions, detect unusual patterns, and flag anomalies that may indicate fraud, errors, or compliance breaches. For example, an AI system in a finance department can monitor expense reports and automatically highlight those with unusual vendor names, timing, or amounts long before they reach an auditor. AI also enhances continuous auditing and monitoring by learning from past data and adapting to new risk patterns. Unlike static rules-based systems, AI improves over time, providing more accurate insights with every cycle. 2. RPA automates repetitive rule-based tasks such as reconciliations, journal entries, and data transfers. By eliminating manual intervention, RPA reduces human error and ensures consistency in control performance. For example, RPA bots can automatically match invoices to purchase orders and flag exceptions for human review. This strengthens control precision while freeing employees to focus on higher value analysis. NLP enables systems to read and understand text from emails, contracts, or audit reports. This technology can detect risky language, policy violations, or missing clauses in documents. For instance, NLP can scan supplier contracts to identify non-standard payment terms or potential compliance risks, reducing review time dramatically. Predictive analytics uses historical data and statistical models to forecast potential control breakdowns. Dashboards and visualization tools present these insights clearly, allowing management to intervene early. For example, predictive models can estimate the likelihood of late vendor payments or control breaches based on current trends, enabling proactive correction. 5. Blockchain technology enhances control assurance through immutable transaction records. In industries like supply chain, healthcare, and finance, blockchain ensures that data cannot be altered without leaving a trace. This reduces fraud risk, strengthens audit trails, and simplifies verification. For example, a blockchain ledger can confirm the authenticity and sequence of transactions in real time. Cloud-based systems centralize control management and make it accessible globally. They support automated testing, continuous monitoring, and integration with AI-driven analytics. Cloud platforms also enable scalability and collaboration, ensuring consistent control standards across all business units. 7. As organizations adopt more technology, cybersecurity becomes an integral part of internal control. AI-powered security tools can detect unusual login patterns, malware behavior, or unauthorized access attempts in real time. These systems continuously adapt to new threats, reducing exposure to data breaches. 8. While AI enhances control performance, it also introduces new governance challenges. Bias, data privacy, and algorithmic transparency must be managed carefully. Organizations should establish AI governance frameworks that define accountability, data standards, and ethical guidelines. Regular audits of AI systems ensure fairness, explainability, and compliance with regulations. Let's consider a practical example. A multinational bank implemented AI-based transaction monitoring to detect suspicious activities across millions of records daily. Within months, the system identified fraudulent transactions that traditional controls had missed, cutting fraud losses by over 60%. This demonstrates how AI can significantly strengthen the speed and accuracy of control systems. Technology does not replace human oversight. It enhances it, The best control environments combine AI-driven insights with human expertise. Auditors and managers interpret AI findings, validate exceptions, and make context-based decisions. This partnership between machines and humans leads to smarter, faster, and more reliable controls. 10. The future of internal control is intelligent and adaptive. We're moving towards systems that can self-monitor, self-correct, and even self-optimize. With advancements in AI, IoT sensors, and real-time data analytics, organizations will soon have complete visibility into their control environments, enabling proactive governance and continuous improvement. To summarize, leveraging AI and emerging technologies transforms internal controls from static safeguards into dynamic, intelligent systems. AI enables predictive risk detection, automation ensures precision, and blockchain enhances trust. Together, these innovations make controls faster, smarter, and more resilient, aligning governance with the pace of modern business. In our next lecture, we'll conclude the series by discussing the future of internal controls, examining how digital transformation, regulation, and ethics will continue to shape the landscape of control systems in the years ahead. Thank you for joining me in this session on leveraging AI and emerging technology for control enhancement.